Imagine plants growing mid-air, their roots floating freely inside clouds of nutrient mist. No soil, no pests, just science turning thin air into living green energy. This is AeroFarming, the future of agriculture that challenges everything we know. Instead of digging into dirt, farmers grow food in vertical towers of light. The roots absorb minerals from mist, not mud. It's cleaner, faster, smarter. Every droplet of water is recycled, saving up to 95% compared to soil. And because there's no dirt, there are no weeds, no chemical pesticides needed. Plants grow 2 to 3 times faster in these controlled, oxygen-rich environments. Cities could one day feed themselves without ever touching a single field. Imagine skyscrapers filled with glowing layers of lettuce, strawberries, and basil. You walk downtown, and your salad grows right above your favorite cafe. That's not science fiction anymore. Startups in New York and Tokyo already do it. AeroFarms, for example, produces millions of greens using just mist and LED light. The air is carefully filled with nutrients, tailored perfectly to each plant species. Sensors monitor every breath the plant takes, adjusting humidity, pH, and oxygen. It's like a spa day for plants. Constant comfort, perfect growth, zero stress. And without soil, diseases that usually kill crops can't even start spreading. The result? Healthier plants, cleaner food, and almost no waste at all. Traditional farming depends on seasons, weather, and luck. AeroFarming depends on data. Algorithms decide when to rain, how much sunlight, and what nutrients to deliver. Artificial intelligence becomes the farmer, watching, learning, optimizing every living leaf. Each plant has a digital twin, a virtual version that predicts its future growth. That means zero guessing, zero loss, and maximum nutrition in every harvest. You could literally farm anywhere, deserts, rooftops, even inside old parking garages. No sunlight? No problem. LEDs create custom light recipes for taste, color, and texture. You want sweeter tomatoes? Just adjust the light wavelength. Technology becomes nature's artist. Future farmers might wear lab coats instead of boots, coating crops instead of tilling soil. Farms will look more like clean laboratories than muddy fields under burning suns. The smell of earth replaced by the sound of mist and glowing hums of tech. And here's the crazy part. It could feed the entire planet sustainably. The UN predicts 9 billion people by 2050 will need 70% more food. But farmland is shrinking, and climate change makes traditional farming unpredictable. AeroFarming grows upward, not outward, turning square meters into endless vertical acres. That means cities become self-sufficient ecosystems producing food right where people live. No trucks, no long transport, no emissions, just local fresh food on demand. It also empowers small nations with poor soil to grow their own crops. Technology breaks geography. Food can come from air, not just fertile land. But like every revolution, it comes with questions we still need to answer. Can we produce enough variety? Or only fast-growing greens and herbs for now? Can people emotionally connect with food grown without sunlight or natural rain? Will big tech corporations control our food systems like they control our phones? Or will open-source farming let everyone build their own mini AeroFarms freely? Imagine kids growing food in classrooms, mist swirling like magic around the roots. Or astronauts cultivating lettuce on Mars inside glowing tubes of nutrient vapor. NASA's already testing that, growing plants without soil for deep space missions. So yes, AeroFarming isn't just about food. It's about survival beyond Earth. It's a symbol of human adaptability, turning nothingness into nourishment through science. The future farmer might not hold a shovel, but a tablet and hope. Food, air, and data. The new trinity of survival for the next century. Maybe one day, we'll all breathe the same air our dinner grew from.